let me show you what we did.
Okay.
We went into spaces, we went into space map, and if you
Okay.
look at Houston, huddle room 1 is there in the space map.
Okay.
Is this the absolute wrong place to be doing
No,
this?
that's fine. So the reason why we normally do things like this is some people import it from AutoCAD. So that's why we have a spaces, but you can also from the room. So let's, this room is called huddle room 1. So let's go back to the conference room. So you can actually link these spaces that you created with your conference room. So go back to home, go to the finders, go to the room finders, go to the room list, go to your room. See the space name. You did not tell them what the space name is. So just tell them the space name is also called huddle room 1. Then they will link that space with this room. I say, copy that room name and put it in space name. So you say, okay, so save it. So now if you go back again and hit location, go on map location, you see that now they map them saying that, okay, so I know where you are now. So that's good. So go back to the room display tab and refresh the screen, and you should see the time adjusted to your central time.
Perfect.